In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on Google. Choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Now click on Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock. Hit the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!